How to fix Telegram login problem. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna show you how to do it easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is just go into the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now all what you wanna do next is click on Telegram, and then all what you wanna do is force stop the app. Click on this option and then click on storage, click on clear cache and manage space. When you click on manage space, it will clear all the storage. As you can see, go back, and then all what you want to do is go into the settings, click on the wireless, enable the airplane mode, and after 3 seconds disable it, and that's it. Now restart your phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video.